Phonics and letters. CBC words. Letter I. E, E, I. Pig, pig. Wig, wig. Bean, bean. Pin, pin. Letter I. E, E, I. It's a pig. It's a pig. It's a wig. It's a wig. It's a bean. It's a bean. It's a pin. It's a pin. Letter O. O, O, O. Box, box. Dog, dog. Map, mop. Pat, pat. Letter O. O, O, O. It's a box. It's a box. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a mop. It's a mop. It's a pot. It's a pot. Letter U. O, U. Bug, bug. Cup, cup. Bus, bus. Jug, jug. Letter U. O, U. It's a bug. It's a bug. It's a cup. It's a cup. It's a bus. It's a bus. It's a jug. It's a jug.